good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this morning on this DIY. It's going to be a Dollar Tree farmhouse / rustic home decor. And I'm excited to do this because it came to me as I was walking through the Dollar Tree and I thought this would be a fabulous idea once I saw these little buckets. And they come 3 in a pack and I thought, what a great buy. So you will need 1 pack of the 3 buckets. You will need 3 of the Dollar Tree kids ball. You can choose whatever color you want. It doesn't really matter. You'll need a plate. You'll need a brush. I'm going with the sponge today. You will need some paint, acrylic paint. You can get them from Walmart. They're 50 cents. Or you can get them also from the Dollar Tree as well. You will need some E6000 glue and a popsicle stick. We possibly will need glue. I'm not quite sure yet if we're going to add any embellishment. You will need 2 bags of the moss. I believe 2 should be sufficient for the 3 balls. And you will also need some wording of your choice. These are also from the Dollar Tree. So this is all Dollar Tree items that you will need. Now let's jump right into this DIY. So guys, I decided instead of using my E6000, I'm gonna go with the Mod Podge because I believe it should hold very well. So I'm going to put a generous amount of Mod Podge, and the Dollar Tree also sell the small container of Mod Podge. So I'm going to take my ball and I'm going to apply it to the ball. And I choose to use the Mod Podge instead of the glue sticks, just so that it doesn't pop my ball. Once you've gotten a good portion of the glue on, take your moss and begin to break it up and apply it. So I went ahead and finished all 3 of these, and then I sprayed it with the adhesive spray and left all 3 of them overnight, and I think they look fabulous. Love, love, love the way that they turned out. Now I want to go ahead and add a dab of black acrylic paint along with my brush. Make sure your brush is nice and soft. Then we're going to begin to paint onto our little bucket. I started with adding the words onto my buckets already and wanted to do this last one with you. Basically, you're just gonna peel off whatever you've chosen. Just go ahead and peel it off, the wording, and you're gonna choose where you want to place it. Make sure wherever you place it is in the center. Okay guys, so this is how they turned out, and I must tell you, I am loving it. Faith, it doesn't make things easy, it makes them possible. Luke 1, verse 37. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you did enjoy this DIY and decide to give me a thumbs up. Please share the videos with your family and friends and let me know your thoughts on this DIY if it is a DIY you would recreate for your home. Very quick, easy, inexpensive, and beautiful. It is functional as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY.